withdrawing money from your iCloud account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Apple ID account. Log into your Apple ID account using your credentials. You can do this through the Apple website or the Settings app on your Apple device. Step 2. Navigate to Payment and Shipping. Once logged in, locate the Payment and Shipping section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and view your balance. Step 3. Check your iCloud balance. Look for your iCloud balance to confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available for the transfer. Step 4. Link your bank accounts. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. Select the option to withdraw funds and enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Confirm the transaction and wait for the processing to complete. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank statement to confirm the transfer has been successful.